So just start off at the top end here. There's our little wood pile here. This is a multi-grafted apple tree. It's got about 5 or 6 varieties on it. And then our herbaceous border. Delphiniums are just coming out. Typical, it's going to rain. And this is my budded standard rose. It's got a yellow and a red rose on it. There's a nice white peony just there. That's the other peony. This one was here when we moved in, actually. And then here's the fig, which is the brown turkey fig, along the trellis there. And then just spinning round, that's our Victoria plum tree. That's going to be coming out this winter. And then we've got the Albertine climbing or rambling rose there, and this is our rose border. That's an Irish yew. That's staying. It's looking very nice just at the moment. That's our Espalier apple tree. And then just along here we've got the pots, so things like sweet peas, parsley, some, I forget the name of it now, that one here, it's a white phlox, that's right. And then we've got various sedums, some come again lettuces, and pots of lilies, a bit of dill on our fire burner there, and just some more sedums on the windowsill. So I'll take you for a spin around again in about 3 weeks' time. Guys, it's the 3rd of July today. We're due some rain any time now, so I'm just going to take you for a little walk around our garden at home. 21st of June today, so 18 days since the last walk around. So we're currently in the middle of a heat wave. I love this tree lily. We've been waiting for that to come out. That's beautiful. Now you can see the border's sort of reaching its peak. Another maybe couple of weeks it'll be at its peak. We really went to town deadheading this, and just look at the fresh flowers that's come on. Absolutely superb. The Albertine at the back there is still going. So it's really all down to continuous deadheading. Some nice apples developing there on the Espalier. We've got the white phlox just there. Sweet peas are still going, and we've got some more lilies come in that tub there. So that's it. We'll have another wander around in about another 3 weeks' time or so. Today is August the 6th, so another just quick walk around. This border's approaching its peak quickly. In fact, see the delphiniums now are fading. We should have deadheaded them, we just haven't had time. The stars of the show for me are these tree lilies here. I mean, they are. Look at the sight, they're just magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. We've got some stargazer lilies there. And I don't know all names, but we've got phlox, monarda. Some more tree lilies here. Not quite as big as the others, but still absolutely gorgeous. Achillea, I think this one's Clerodendrum. I think it's about 6.5 foot tall, maybe more, 7 foot. Japanese anemone. Some more different coloured phlox there, and then the fig of course netted because it's carrying a good crop. And then just spinning round, so the albertine's finished now. It'll probably send up another flush before summer's finished. You can see we just keep deadheading the roses, and you know, we should get a continual flush really. And you'll see that I've summer pruned the Espalier. Okay, that's it. Well, it's the 4th of September, time for another little whiz round the Herbaceous Border. The white phlox here, really nice. I don't know what this one's called, but it's got these really big leaves. Nice flower, that. Goldenrod's fading. Big rose there, still throwing some buds out. You can see quite a lot of these Monarda, I think it is, have passed over. These are on the way out now. They finished. The Achillea's still going. The Japanese anemone are looking good. This is I think it's clerodendron. The bees really like it. Again, the phlox down here. The sedum down there's just starting to get a little bit of colour on it. So spinning round. Plum trees all been picked now. All the fruit's gone. See the leaves are starting to drop on that. Now the rose border. Still throwing out plenty of flowers on certain ones. There's some apples. All the fruit off the Espalier has now been picked. Right, that's it. Guys, it's the 13th of November today, and just here in our back garden I'm going to give you probably one last look at our herbaceous border before it goes forever. So I'm going to spin you around slowly. So let's start off with this apple tree. This is a multi-grafted apple. There's just 3 left on it now. I've been leaving these on. It's a late variety. I don't know if you can make that out. It's just a slight flushing starting there. And this was signwood sent to me from Nazar. Or is it the way around? Sorry mate, I can't just think now. Anyway, so I'll be picking those in the next week probably. I don't know if they seem ready to come off yet, so we'll leave those on. They were grafted there. You can make that out. That's a bark or rind graft. There's another one with a different variety. Tickled pink, that one. It's a red fleshed apple. Anyway, but that's staying obviously. I'm not going to dig that one out. But I do need to remove 2 or 3 foot off those upper branches once the leaves have gone. That's another little job needs doing. Anyway, as we're walking down, you can see we've put some labels on. We've got goldenrod, phlox, all sorts of things in here, but we have tried to have a bit of a plant sale. We have got some people interested, so obviously what we'll do is over the next month I guess, we'll cut the people who have ordered things, we'll cut the tops back and then lift them up, divide them if necessary, and you know, they can come round with a bag or a bucket or something and then plant it as and when they want to. Like I say, I'm not sure if we can maybe donate the rest of the plants somehow, but yeah, most of the tops, like this, see this clerodendron here, I'm just going to put that through the chipper, most of the tops, and then that can go onto the compost. See, all the leaves have gone off the fig. I mean, just look how many figs that never made up. Like I say, if we had a longer summer, there must be 100 on there. So again, if I can get all the leaves up, they'll go on the compost. It's a good resource. But yeah, it will be going, like I say. And over here, I'm not quite sure, but there's going to be, the plan is to have compost bins and then some cold frames and stuff like that. But it's an evolving thing. I haven't worked it all out yet. Swinging round, similar story with the rose border. We've got some of these that people are coming to collect at some point. Again, it's a bit early yet, there's still leaves on, so no big sweat. Not sure about the rambling rose. It may stop, I don't know, we'll have to see what happens. And then, as I've said before, the Espalier is going to come out as well. But it's all an ongoing project. Anyway guys, I'll just give you one spin around, I'll leave it there. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.